my name is Nina Park and I'm a makeup artist in LA and New York, and today I'm going to teach you how to achieve this beautiful glass skin look. Glass skin has been such a phenomenon in Korea, and it has luminous finish and just glowing skin, and we're going to show you on Cheryl today how to create this look. And then after, we're going to do a little makeup application to finish off the look. Skincare prep is such an important part before any makeup application. It preps everything where you can use minimal makeup at the end, and we're going to use the watermelon sleeping mask for 10 minutes to prep the skin. It smells so good, and the texture is beautiful. I'm going to go in layers, so I'm going to make a thin layer first, and we could build to make it as thick as you want. So this has watermelon extract, AHA, and hyaluronic acid, so it exfoliates while smooths and feels so gentle on the skin at the same time. It's been 10 minutes, so Cheryl's washed her face off with some water, and now we're going to go in with the blueberry cleanser. So we're cleansing the skin. We want to make sure to take off all impurities and dirt. And this cleanser is great because it refines the pores at the same time and really just gives you a flawless, clean base before the next step in the skincare. I love using a cleanser that has hyaluronic acid. It adds moisture to the skin and it makes everything else moisturized and primed for makeup. So we've worked this in for a good solid minute, and now Cheryl's gonna go wash it off. To achieve glass skin, I love to use a moisturizing mist between each step just to lock in, seal, and reset for the next step. I make sure to really shake it well because it's a biphase. Spray closer to the face than normal mists because of the fine mist that it comes out. So I'm just gonna go in with the Pineapple C Brightening Serum. I'm gonna do one dropper on my hand. And I really wanna warm it up between my palms. And I'm going to press it on the face. The serum gives you an instant glass skin effect because of its brightening properties and hydration. So now to enhance and exaggerate the glass skin glow, we're going to go in directly with the dropper and apply one dot on each cheekbone. I'm just going to mist one more time before we put on the moisturizer, just to lock that in. So I'm going to go in and finish off the look with the Pink Juice Moisturizer. I love this product because it's gel-like texture and it's very soothing on the skin, and it creates a really nice slip for makeup. Starting at the center and going up. I like to focus on the center of the face because I feel that most women either are dry or oily at the center, so it really kind of targets that area first. Because it's such a balancing moisturizer, it really tends to refine those areas. So Cheryl's skin, you can tell, is super moisturized because you can see how bouncy it is, and the texture is just glowy and beautiful. We're just gonna mist one last time for good measure. So now that Cheryl's skin is prepped with all the skincare, we're just gonna go in with a little bit of makeup. We wanna keep the skin looking hydrated and glass skin-like. So I'm going with the cream foundation, and I'm just going to cut it with a little bit of the pink juice, just to cut it to make it a little bit more a thinner layer where it looks much more skin-like. But also it's great for layering too. Just kind of focusing at the center and building out. Just because Cheryl has great texture and the skin, the hydration is great, but just a little redness around her nose. I'm just focusing on the T-zone. A hydrating mist is something that I always have in my kit. I love how versatile it is. You can set makeup with it, also rehydrate, but also wetting my brushes to use any powder products for a flawless, smooth finish. I just wet my brush with the hydrating mist, and now I'm gonna go in. It has a little bit of the highlighter that's pressed. I'm going to really focus on the tops of her cheekbones. And since we strobed already with the skincare, we don't need to do too much. We still want this to have a skin-like effect and texture. I'm just going to add a little for emphasis. I love a little above the brow too, because I feel like it creates a little highlight and a little lift. To really show glass skin and have the highlights on the cheekbones, I'm gonna use the pink juice on my fingertips and just apply with my fingertips on the cheekbones. You can never have enough hydration no matter what step of the routine you're in. And there you have it. We just completed the glass skin look on Cheryl. Please be sure to check out the rest of the videos on Glowpedia.